As you start your day, you want it to be seamless and simple. The aroma of fresh coffee, the pulsating energy of many BCGers, and happy warm smiles. That's the feeling I get in the heart of my new BCG Unoffice. This is that place where dreams brew and the aroma of fresh ideas blend to build up that taste of success.
I believe workspace shapes the culture as much as culture shapes the workspace. Both are intertwined and cannot exist without each other. And what I find most exciting is that while it looks like an office, it's not exactly one. Everything's within quick reach. Easy, simple, and smooth.
We've adopted technology and how, from making remote collaboration a breeze to embedding sustainability in our office. This is truly a future-ready workspace. For instance, I don't need to really sweat out for important meetings, as the number of VC rooms are quite a few. Things work best when they are invisible. State-of-the-art technology, simple and seamless, and all that with one touch.
I love the fact that we breathe in and breathe out diversity and inclusivity. It keeps me, me. To solve complex problems, keeping our approach collaborative is the best way to accomplish tasks. For instance, these contrasting spaces that stimulate divergent as well as convergent thinking. I often go there to break from the ordinary and connect the dots.
When all our minds come together on a shared goal, we'll inevitably make breakthroughs. This is all thanks to our dynamic digital spaces. And that is how we truly unlock the potential of our clients.
We can't wait to invite you to this wonderful new space which we will call home, the BCG NDE Unoffice. We have kept you in mind while designing this unconventional office, while staying true to BCG's purpose of unlocking potential of those who advance the world. This space stands for who we are and who we aspire to be. A winning team which is creative, connected, fun, and collaborative. We look forward to welcoming you to a lot more camaraderie and bonhomie, because work will never be the same again at the BCG NDE Unoffice.
Unlock your intellect.
Unlock your zeal.
Unlock your instinct.
Unlock your passion.
Because when we unlock, we set ourselves free from old patterns of thoughts and actions to embark on a never-before journey. This is why I call it an unoffice.